guys, Moreni. I hope you guys are good. Bedroom, guys, because kulacala ndibeke amanzi and ayangcola. Guys, today is Saturday. Ndibuyothenga izcones kumakhi, like apha kuthengiswa khona iqoti. Ezilozela uyabheka nobheka. So as is going to buy supper yam, guys, my husband is coming back tomorrow. Like he's on the way ngoku ne. And then uzofika tomorrow, which is Sunday. Nge-10. Oh guys, I cannot wait. I miss him so much. Kwakunini nge-first kumka kwakhe. So guys, ngoku ndizobeka i-beetroot, ndibeke i-potato salad, ndizolala ndizenzile. If andonqenanga nechakalaka ndizolala ndiyenzile, but if undonqenile ndizawuyenza ngomso ekuseni because ulenda tomorrow ngo-10. Yeah, ngo-10 a.m. So I'm not sure if I'm going to pick him at the airport okanye uzo Uber aze apha because sana landlela iya airport mna ndiyayoyika but andiyazi sizobona. Bendithi guys bandiniqhayisele uba ubulonely guys buzawuphela. My husband is coming back, so ndifuna upheka a hearty meal because sana ebecomplaina ngokutya kwaseGermany. So ndifuna upheka a hearty meal. Imili yam wethu izawuba irice wethu ukutya i-hearty meal, like ukutya okunxofo kwasendlini. Ndizokwenza potato salad, izawuba i-beetroot, chakalaka, i-cabbage, and then be rice ne-chicken ne-sweet corn because ndonqena uba la sweet corn izawude imoshakale. Yeah, ne-sweet corn. So guys, ngoku the time is 5:30 ngoku p.m. So ndizobeka i-beetroot ngoku ndibeke ne-potato salad, and then maybe later on around 7 andiyazi, but yeah, around 7 ndizawubeka ndizokwenza chakalaka so that izoba shoqololo over the night sitye ngomso imnandi. And then I'm planning to do ijeli ne-custard if andonqenanga, but hopefully andizukonqena because plus guys ngomso i-Mother's Day. Sizokongeza ametsi lana because mancane. Molweni guys, molweni. I hope you guys are good. But I say today is Friday. I am off to a shopping center, the nearest shopping center. Sana, I am such a bad mother. Okay, not that I am a bad mother because I feel like okay, number one, ndizovenda guys. I know nindigqibele kudala guys, and okona ndandinigowela ubana my husband is not around. Wara ngoku xa ebuyileyo mna andifumaneki. Wow, my husband came back from Germany Sunday, which was the 10th. Guys, I didn't vlog sana since from I think Saturday. Nakhona it was just a small clip kona ndinibonisa uba what I'm cooking. So umyeni wabuya guys, kanti on Wednesday egroupini bathumele yo guys, bathumele i-poster ethi today i-fruit salad Friday, so we have to bring i-fruits and i-yogurt ne. Now I didn't see that. Ndifonelwa ngumem womntwanam namhlanje, umem kaZiyana, uthi uZiyana is crying. She said you are going to come to school and bring the fruits. Ndithi mna what fruits? Uthi kaloku today is fruit salad Friday. Ndithi bengazi naloo nto. Uthi it was sent on the group on Wednesday. Ndithi mna I don't usually check payana because abantu bayazincokolela. Some of them are complaining. Uthi xa uyojoga egroupini sana ufike i-messages zininzi but ubona uba okay akho nto ekufuna wena, so inoba ndiye ndayimissisha leyo because nyani guys I didn't know. So ngoku I'm off to a shopping center ndiyothenga ezi fruits. I do have i-blueberries ne-grapes apha endlini, but ke ngoku i-problem zi-yogurt. I only have i-1 kg A1 and they are in different classes. Yabo uZiyana kwiclass yakhe, ahlome kwiclass yakhe. So ndithi guys ngoku I'm off to a shopping center. Ndingaziplananga ngohamba sana because I'm busy cooking here. Ndenza ulusu ebendilipheke izolo kwamka ugesi. Uthe xa ubuya ndabe ndingasathethi loo nto mna and it was already late. So I'm off to the shopping center ndiyothenga ezi zinto zifunekayo from the school, and then I'll come back and clean. It's a mess man apha endlini kumdaka guys kakhulu. So yeah guys, let me go. Bendisithi manindibulisa. I'm sure this is gonna be okay. This is a new vlog, guys, because yesterday I dropped a vlog. And guys, thank you so much, Mandase. Izolo, we reached 5,000 subscribers. See? Imagine, Mandase. Thank you guys so much. Izolo, we reached 5,000 subscribers. And Sana, beningasoze ndiyofika ku-5,000 without you guys, those who decided to subscribe. Thank you so much, Mandasa. I really appreciate you guys. And then there's appreciate guys, your comments, your love. Even if I want your comment, just drop a heart below, guys. Oh, Sana, this calls for a celebration, and I know it calls for a giveaway as well. But I'm still thinking, last time there's a giveaway when I reached 1,000 subscribers, nanenze a voucher. No, I didn't do a voucher. I'm winning. So now I'm thinking of requirements. Okay, because it's requirements, I'll just pick randomly. I don't know, guys, but and yes, man, I was thinking of weave, but again, I'm not sure if I can channel. I don't know. I'll check. But if I can, guys, we are stating but guys, thank you so much. Kuni no 5,000. Kuni 5,005. Kuni no 5,000, guys. It really means a lot to me. Ubania engage ku channel yam commenter, share. I see some of you guys they share on Facebook, abanye ku Instagram stories. Thank you so much, guys. It really means a lot. Mulweni Mandase. Oh, just forget me. Guys, I am in a rush, son. The time now is 4:15. The time is 4:15. A carnival go along 5. I need to rush to a pep to send a parcels zabantu. Mina saniyongqina akafuna ukungikhapha. Sendiziyela sengisiya late nje bendinethemba lakhe. Yo. Bethunana. Will I be able to get out kanje apha na? Ngiyazi ke ohlo. Yenza ngalo manje. Ndiphambili kanci. So guys, today is Sunday, ne? Today is Sunday. Dear Eland again. Ep. Oh, ndakwazi. Beningazithembi. Andizovala ngalo gate. Bazayivala ngokwabo. Dear Ep, guys, yondithethela phansi sana. Let's go to Epepu Bandase. If mhlambi ndikwazile sesendiyojonga nasejimini if ndingaphuma sesendiyojonga nasejimini because I want to pay my debt gym ityala lam lasejimini, guys. Let's hope ndizawukwazi. Oh, sana. Kukho imoto ezayo na. Okay. Ayize ngapha.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling,
guys, I am back and voila. Today is Sunday. Enjoy essential, guys. We didn't cook. No one was interested in cooking. My husband yesterday cooked. Nah, I am just not okay 100%. Now I'm sure maybe you can tell by imehlo lam ehlobelililo. And as namanzo puma ikarkatyi or what. Yesterday bendidumbe icala Yesterday bendidumbe icala sana ndinethumba but lagqabhuka ke izolo. Kwangala mini man ndandinigqobela apha ngezinto zabantwana bam zesikolo zoba I didn't see laa nto ye-fruit salad tontoni. Ndandisendinethumba but sala ladumba sekulate. Ngilakhi ke kuba I think it's because apha empumlweni kushushu so silaye lakhawuleza lalandeka lagqabhuka. But sana xa usondele kum and ungumntu onaziyo you can tell kule ndawo uba sana benidumbe kanje guys. Ngoku ilimehlo, I don't know what's going on. So no one is interested ekuphekeni and my son ushushu. Hey, there's a lot that is going on with. Let me go home to my family. I don't know ke sana ba bazawuyana lejini ndibambile. I don't know uba abantwana bazoya komsesikolweni, but I don't think ndingakhupha uhlala nabo the whole day unless ke if umntana makade abe right uvuke ekho right, of which I don't think bazawuya because akachebanga. Omnye iinwele zakhe zimbi, omnye uqhaqhile andikamhlami intloko. Bendisithi uzayoqhina kayanga. Andiyazi awusi wethu, awusi abantu ndikhathwe yilantuka, ndikhathwe yinto sispace, and I think sana I am catching a flu. Yho kusanjeyana namfana sana unobuxakwe yile ntombazana unobuxakwe yile ntombazana ithetha yodwa. Iwesiba ndithetha nodwa ndifake ilantika imic A1 icala eli-1 because icimile. Icimile guys. Sigodukeni ngoba niyambona uyangithanda lo mfana luna bazali bami kweletele nangithathe ngiyo. Oh sana ndiphantse nda-overshare. Fanele ndibane ndizikhuza kaloku guys so that I do not overshare, but ndiyoze ndiyithethe le nto mhla kwaze yalunga nditsho uba yho mhla yaze yalunga. Xolani man guys, ananto ndiyibeke nje efowuni yam apha. Nditsho kuni ndithi guys, do you still remember ngotyana ndisithi ndiphantse nda-overshare? Oh sana, I cannot wait for that day. I cannot. Oh, I look like my problems. Hi guys, today is Thursday. I last saw you on Sunday or Monday, I'm not sure, but I think we are in mall if I'm not mistaken. Ndinexelela about my eye, and guess what guys, Diagoa, I asked my husband yesterday to pass by the pharmacy to get me an ointment because I researched kumele ointment for my eye. So bamxelele ubana la ointment idinga a prescription, so I need to go to the doctor because wow, this is so painful and ayipheli bandase. So if you didn't get a vlog this week, just know bana leli mehlo, because I don't have a confidence to go to anywhere. Like andikwazi kwa uphuma itheni yamanzi ingathi gqabhkile. Let me show you guys. Jongan, this is the state of my eye guys. Ipaina from kanje, and then Sunday, I think Sunday or Saturday kugqabhuke iboil ibilapha empumlweni ngaphakathi. Ithe isogqabhuka ibipeyina nayo kwavuka le sana. This is just not my month. May please wrap it up sana. So bendisithi mandinibonise guys bana ndikanje. I'll see you when I see you, but if I gqabhukanga namhlanje, tomorrow I'm going to the doctor and yazi banjani because we only have one car and my husband is using it to go to work. But yeah, sizobonani man guys.
Hiding behind the shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold. without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep.
Molweni guys, molweni bandase. I am back. Oh guys, ndivukile kufene, but I'm sure you can tell imehlo lam bana alikabikho completely healed. But yeah guys, Friday I went to see a doctor. I'm not sure man ba ndifila njani ngala doctor, but imehlo lam lona beseli sathina beselibona bana lento benayo biseyizogqabhuka yabo. So sahamba ke Friday sayobona udoctor, uvele wandixelela uba yintoni khangandicheke khangathini guys, and then waprescribe ilanduka ipilisi. It's fine. When I get home laa nto yaqabhuka ndingekaseli nezo pilisi guys, uyayibo uba ndiyafana nodlala ngemali, but it's fine wethu, it's fine because ndiye ndafumana ne-antibiotic umhlawumbi izasose iklina, I don't know, because le nto ibindiphume apha ibiqale yaphuma apha empumlweni. So yeah guys, I am back. Today is Monday. It is the 25th of May. I almost said March. It is the 25th of May. I'm about to cook nindibona ndinjenje, but ndigqiba ushuta content yam guys for business yam, for both Facebook and ulanduka or TikTok. Guys, please do follow me on my other social media platforms. Ndiyanicela guys, and also please guys, ndicela ni commenting naye ku-comment guys. If you don't know what to say, you can just leave a heart nje bandase, or koba ndibona bana okay uyabukela and all that. But yeah guys, I'm not sure if ndifuna upheka nani okanye ndifuna uthini, but bendisithi mandize nizondibona bana ndiyeke noduma sana guys icala, but xa ndizibamba apha it's still painful, but nje mild pains wethu. So yeah guys, let's cook. Ndizokwenza i-sweet potato, i-cabbage and i-beef stew. Yeah, masiphekeni bandase. I've decided to make rice sana because andifuni into ezobe not that ezongixoxisa, but ndizobe ndibuza ubana iphi papa kanye iphi rice, yabo. So let's make a rice. I-cabbage yam imhlophe, like it doesn't have amagqabi la green, so I'll add a carrot just to uba ibe ne-color, and then ne-beef. Yeah, what's going on up? Yeah, speaking mandase.
Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. The sun is always shining right.
I think the rice blame, the cabbage, guys. I pay you. Then the 10 game. The last time I went to a plantation with you guys, before it 10, because my husband came back at 10 May and today 25. I pay you guys. I pay you too, son.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Hi guys, I hope you're right. Today is Saturday, the 30th of May, and yeah, I still haven't found and then my adapter no don't land your mic, but yeah, so today is Saturday, the 30th of May. We are off to the mall. Happy and the kids, so you're taking groceries. I'm not sure if I'm taking you guys with us or kanye, but yeah guys, ndifuna unibonisa la ningathi andinibonisi izinto ezinhle nithi ndiyanivimba. You do know most bana ndingusisi Ntosh. So I have these two jackets. It was in the tata content for ezinye app ezi. I have these two jackets ke bandase, both zifumaneka kum nge 450. So benibabuza kwezi app uba should I wear this one okanye the brown one, but I think ndidecidile wethu I'm wearing nje izinto nje simple izinekhasi jean vest and then ngizofaka this jacket. I think ngizofaka lena ithi ndinehlise nizombona. Nansi ke guys the jacket. Yebo. This is the jacket. And then the second one. The second one, lena. Anizokwazi nongikhethisa ke mina ke because I'm not sure if nizayibona nini le vlog, but yeah. The second one is this one, and I think it sense more. Is this cream white okanye bani? Oh sana, I am not good when it comes to e-colors. Zoyi-2 ziyangena kwezi zinto ndizinqabileyo ne. But I feel like the first one yenza more sense because ayikho shushu kakhulu. Yabo, because siyokwenza i-groceries. Uyayibona mosiba groceries ziyabhobhanisa. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear the first one, but yeah guys, masiyambini. Benenze ntoni bena today? Bendi cleaner and then uhappy wasa umntana esalon and then omnye wayocheba. Abesebahlangana nabam guys. But yeah guys, bye. I'll see you xa sihamba.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. My love just went cold, but I'm still burning. My love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now.
Oh, guys, another thing, I'm also looking for an outfit for my friend's birthday celebration. We are going out, so I'm looking for anything to wear. And that's what's on my don't but and this is for Shimongoko. I have these barrel jeans. It's $4.99. I want to fit them and see. But as Hluma. Yeah, it didn't fit. Guys, kutyebekile. This is size 16. It doesn't fit. So I think I need size 18. Oh. Guys. Did I take a decision right now? Tomorrow I'm going to the gym. Do you plan to pay the membership? Monday I'm going back to the gym, guys. Oh.
But it's the same old story. My love just went cold, but I'm still burning. My love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same.
Sana, I am at Mr. Price home. I'm looking for is it a bowl or is it a bowl? But it's those cute ones, man. These are trend from Woolworths. Ukhona umuntu bethe uzifumene apha Mr. Price home, but I can't find them. Oh my gosh, it was my sebuhlungu. kunini ndililaqaza apha sana azikho tu guys akukho ke something similar ukubona uqondo okay this is similar but
I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Don't need someone to save me, no. And don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no. I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe. would say we were good together. I would say we had fun.